This is the Bobcat E85 excavator. I'm renting it. Give them a plug. There's a few scratches on it. Back window's busted out. Otherwise, it's in good shape. I brought the excavator here partly to dig holes to bury some fence. It's hard to get rid of that old fence. So I was digging this hole yesterday and I struck something there, and it turns out to be an old cesspool from a farmhouse. And so what I'm going to do, it's no longer in use, but it is a hollow cavity. It was full of water. I'm going to unroof it and collapse it in and fill it back in, so no safety issue. I did shine a flashlight into there. There's a pipe coming from that direction of the house, but it's an old collapsed, it's like a clay pipe. Here's a piece of it right there. But it's all collapsed in. There's a new septic field up in the yard, which is above this tank, so I know it's not connected. That's the results of that cesspool. I crushed it on top of itself. Had to dig out a little bit of that pathway. And so it's all collapsed in. There you can see the wall. That's the back wall. And some fence that I'm trying to bury. Caden's first time on the excavator, learning how the controls work. Use your right hand and turn the bucket. Your right hand and turn it towards you. Watch your bucket. Watch your bucket. There you go. Now you got to scoop. Scoop it on all the way up. Scoop it up. Now use your left hand to raise the boom. Left hand to raise the boom. Okay, you want to swing. Slow. Good. Move your right hand right. Right hand right. Okay. That's it. That's the hole full of old fence. All that fence came out of our sinkhole. It doesn't look like a big hole on the video, but I don't know if you can appreciate this pile of dirt. Let me get out and get you a better perspective. There's a huge pile of dirt that came out of that hole. There's a comparison to the size of the excavator. All that fence was stacked up around this sinkhole that people had used as a dump. And now it's all clean, except for cinder blocks. But the fence is out. There's still a lot of metal and trash, but it's underneath all these blocks. Alright, this is Caden, day 2 of practice. Now we're filling the hole in. It won't come off. Don't worry about the root, just come get another scoop. Oh, so okay, that's fine. back. This is partially completed land clearing. All this dirt was nothing but scrub trees, briars. So I started piling it up, and I'm going to come back to this corner. I'll take another short video once it's done. But you can see this thing is a machine. It works like a dozer, and then you pick up a pile and just throw it in there. So I'm going to clear back to these big trees, open up this little roadway here, and then this we're going to seed and maybe plant trees. But for now, all this scrub's coming out up to those bigger trees in the background. These cedars are going to come out too. Those two big cedars. So you can see where we cleared. That direction was all cedar trees. So it's now been cleared back to the woods there. All this brush, all this bare area was just scrub trees, ailanthus trees, briars. So we still have to clean up the trash and get it seeded. But we got a good clearing here now. That's a cherry tree. We kept that. So we're going to burn these piles eventually once they dry a little bit.